In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clean up Gmail storage effectively. This process will help free up space and ensure your account functions smoothly. Let's start by checking your storage usage. Head to the following link, https://one.google.com/storage. Once there, sign in with your Gmail account if prompted. You'll be presented with a pie chart that illustrates how your storage is allocated among Gmail, Google Drive, and Google Photos. Take a close look to identify which service is hogging most of your space. Next, let's tackle large emails with attachments. Open Gmail on your computer and in the search bar, type in a specific command to find large emails. They will appear for you to review. Go through and select the emails you no longer need, then delete them. Once you've done that, click on the trash folder and empty it by selecting Empty Trash Now. A helpful tip here is to sort these emails by date, which allows you to get rid of the oldest ones first, potentially freeing up more space quickly. Now let's clean up your Gmail categories. On the left sidebar in Gmail, you'll see various tabs such as Promotions, Social, Updates, and Forums. Go through each of these tabs, select all the emails, and click on the trash icon to delete. Don't forget to empty your trash folder afterward. Additionally, it's wise to unsubscribe from any marketing emails by clicking Unsubscribe from the top of those emails if you deem them unnecessary. Onward to managing your spam and trash folders. Head down to the left sidebar again, click on More to find the spam section, and delete all spam messages by clicking the respective option. Then visit the trash folder one more time and empty it. Refresh your Gmail afterward, and you should see some space improvements. If you use Google Drive, consider deleting large files there as well. Go to https://drive.google.com drive/quota and assess the list of files sorted by size. Right-click on any unneeded ones and click Remove. Once more, ensure you permanently delete these files by emptying the trash in Google Drive. For Google Photos, navigate to https://photos.google.com/ and click on the gear icon to manage your storage. You can review and delete unnecessary items like large photos, blurry images, and screenshots. Make sure to empty the photos trash afterward to finalize the deletion. When it comes to Google Chat or Spaces, open https://chat.google.com/ to review and clear any conversations containing large attachments. Remove messages or media files that aren't necessary.